Hey, it's Matthew, and this is the Hot Wheels 2020 Walmart exclusive police set. The cars in the set are the 85 Chevrolet Camaro, the Nissan FAIRLADY Z, the 2016 BMW M2, the Lamborghini Aventador Coupe, and the Volkswagen Golf MK7.
This is Tanya Toyota, interrupting this opening to give you breaking news of a high-speed car chase. Let's go to Frank Ferrari and Air Chopper 7 for live coverage.
Thanks, Tanya. This chase started a few minutes ago, and we just caught up to it. It appears that the car they are chasing in is a Bugatti. The first police car behind it is a Highway Patrol 85 Chevrolet Camaro. Let's see if we can get a closer look. Let's go to Kurt Koenigsegg for more details.
Thanks, Frank. Kurt Koenigsegg here, and this Camaro has a 5.7-liter V8 with a top speed of 130 miles per hour. Great design on this Camaro that is driven by Officer Pete Patrol.
Thanks, Kurt, for that info. That Camaro cop car couldn't keep up, and now chasing the Bugatti is a Nissan FAIRLADY. Wow, they just merged onto that ramp at a very high rate of speed. Kurt, what can you tell us about the Nissan?
This FAIRLADY Z is a 6-cylinder 150 horsepower car. Behind the wheel of this Datsun is Chief Wiggum.
Frank, what is that ahead?
Tanya, looks like there's a jump ahead. Whoa!
Oh my gosh. I can't believe you just cleared that. Let's get a replay of that. This is some outstanding footage from our ground team that is on the scene. Amazing.
Lambo Luke has now joined the chase. Looks like he might be trying a pit maneuver. We have exclusive video and audio from the Lamborghini cop car. This is Officer Lambo Luke. I've got him in my sights, but he's going too fast for a foot maneuver, requesting a roadblock to be set up ahead.
Just to recap, we have a breaking coverage of a high-speed chase. Lambo Luke is now in pursuit. Kurt, what do we know about this Lambo?
Well, Tanya, this Lambo has a V12 engine with 730 horsepower and its top speed of 217 miles per hour. This beast is driven by Lambo Luke.
Frank, have they set up a roadblock?
It looks like they set up a roadblock ahead. Let's go to Kurt for details on the cars on the roadblock.
Frank, the 2016 BMW M2 has a 6-cylinder engine that puts out 365 horsepower. I hear this thing is fun to drive. The Volkswagen Golf MK7 actually has 296 horsepower, but it's no match for this Bugatti. Good thing it's part of the roadblock. Officer Dave Starsky is behind the wheel of the BMW, and Officer Ken Hutch is driving the Volkswagen.
Oh my gosh! Wow!
I can't believe you just plowed through that roadblock. Looks like everyone is okay.
That was crazy, Tanya. We still have him in our sights. Oh, wait. Oh, no. He's ending the tunnel, and we just lost him. Back to you, Tanya, in the studio.
Well, that was a crazy chase. Looks like we won't know how this ends. Thanks for tuning in. And now, back to our regularly scheduled program.
Whoa, what the heck just happened? Anyways, my favorite car to the set is definitely the Lamborghini. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite car is out of this 2020 Walmart exclusive police set.